Hello guys, you're welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, if you can apply everything I'm going to say in today's video, there is no how that you won't make 100k. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. There's no how you won't make 100k right away. Now listen, you all need to join Metaforce. I'm not going to make this video long. At least there should be 1 minute, and you all need to join Metaforce. There are so much benefits coming out of Metaforce. You all need to join Metaforce. Leave all these screenshots of payment I've been showing to you guys. All these screenshots of payment, they are real. You need to join Metaforce. Metaforce is not a small children platform where you can just come, maybe thing will fall, then you leave. No, that is not true. Metaforce is real and it is working. Like, you guys, you really need to join Metaforce. I'll be leaving my link to come over to Metaforce in the description box. Once you just click on my link, it's going to bring you over to this. It's going to bring you over to my WhatsApp, whereby I'm going to teach you more about Metaforce and how to join Metaforce. Metaforce is real. It is not a scam. Metaforce, it is real. It is not a scam. There is a coin that will be launched this December. It is called NFT, and I asked my boss who introduced me to Metaforce. I asked him how much will be this NFT coin. Guess what he told me? He told me $2, and those on Metaforce can get this coin for free. And know why I am emphasizing more to you guys that you guys should join Metaforce, because a time will come in this my channel I'll stop uploading videos because I want to enjoy small money. So I'm telling you guys now, join Metaforce. I'll be leaving a link to my WhatsApp DM on the comment section, the pinned comment section. Click on it, come over to my WhatsApp and message me now so that you can join Metaforce. All these screenshots of payments are real. They are real and legit. If Metaforce is not real, I won't bother you guys to join Metaforce. Come now, come on board. Come on board. Don't wait for this NFT coin to launch. Come on board and start doing what others are doing. Do not be lazy, bro. Do not be lazy. Come over to my WhatsApp. Let me teach you.